My favorite instrument to play is the bass guitar. I started out playing guitar, and then I quit it when I was 12, 13. I picked it back up when I was 17, and then I kind of decided to pick up bass just to try something different. I've written some stuff, not too much, just sometimes. Yes, there are plenty of guitars, and bass is more about rhythm and then being subtle, and that's just more my thing. Quick plug-in, there's a new band coming out. They'll be called Commonwealth. Two-piece so far. It's a blues collective. I picked bass because it kind of suits me better, I guess. I already had experience with guitar, and it's more about rhythm and being subtle, uh, so that suits me better. I like to play funky stuff more. I've been playing boogie Yoogie Yoogie. I just want to be able to play with a lot of people proficiently, and I want to try to play live.